Alright guys, welcome back to another tips and tricks tutorial. I am Cable, that's my Glover's name, and my real name is Kevin. So today, moving on to the subject, today's tutorial is going to be on tracing. Okay, if you've never heard of tracing before, in my opinion, if you can understand this concept, this technique, you won't, in my opinion, you won't ever run out of moves. But I could be wrong. That's just what I found. So tracing. Tracing is basically tracing using one hand or the other. Yeah, one hand and tracing along the other hand. So let's say this is tracing my left finger, right? I could trace a roll. So these are the most common like tracing. In short, is basically tracing any part of your hand, right, causing different movements, right? So that's called tracing. But the concept is to never break your trace. So as you keep tracing and doing different kind of traces to the other hand, back to the other hand, to your thumb, over here, doesn't matter where you go, as long as you don't break the trace, right? And the reason why I say it's unlimited, because as long as you don't break the trace, you can do whatever you like, right? I'm just totally making this up right now on the spot, but as long as I'm making a trace, it doesn't matter, right? As long as you don't break the trace. Cool. So yes, but there's two, I guess, parts. Well, sorry. There's the simple tracing, which is usually just the finger rolls, right, or the digits, right? Just tracing along the hand, type deal like this, right? But then it can get really complex, because you can, as long as you never break the trace, you can do whatever you like, right? So for instance, if I'm here and I'm tracing, right, I can push here, put my, okay, I'm totally like not doing a good example, but oh, here, okay, so let's say I open up like this. Fuck. Redo. Okay, so there are two, well, there's no two things. So the simple way of tracing is it's a normal, finger waves, right? So if I end here, I just need, finger waves are usually the most simple tracing, right? But that can expand. It could turn into a wave, right? As long as you don't break the trace, right? Because you're tracing over here. You can come back in, go back to tracing, turn that into a digit. Oh, sorry, dial, right? Doesn't matter what you do, as long as you're not breaking the trace, right? Right, so oh, this one I'm still getting used to, but then applying more pressure to where you're tracing helps you with the tracing, just because it's like you feel your hand sliding around, Right, yeah, so apply pressure when you're tracing, right? Alright, so yeah, never break the trace. There's simple side of things, and then you get really complex when you add other concepts, other transitions and such. But yeah, as long as you and apply pressure, and as long as you don't break the trace, things are unlimited. So peace out. Thank you guys. See you guys on the next one.